Hey everyone, welcome to Live Blogger. In this video, we'll see how to change the font and the font colors of a Blogger website. So let's get started. I have signed into my Blogger dashboard, and here are all the posts and here are all the settings for our website. Now the first thing you need to do is go to this theme option over here. And here we can see our website on desktop as well as mobile device. Now just go ahead and click on customize. And here are all the different options we have for the customization of our blog. Now you have to go to the advanced option over here. And here we can see all the different options we have for customization of our website. Now you can click on each one of these options and change the font and the colors. So whenever you click on any of these options, that section gets highlighted over here. So if I click on featured post, we can see that this whole section over here is highlighted. So whatever changes we make over here will affect only this section right here. But we don't have any option to change the font in this section. So to change the font and the color of the featured post, you have to change it somewhere down here in the other options. So let's go ahead and look at the other options. So here we'll go to the header, and we can see that this header over here is being highlighted. We can see this orange border over here, and then we can see we have this option of changing the description font. So let's select a font from here and see what happens. So we'll select this impact font, and we can see the font of our description has changed, and we can also make it bold or italic, or we can even change the font size over here. And if you scroll down, we can see we have a lot of fonts to choose from. Now let's scroll to the right and see what other options we have. And here we can see we have the text font. So let's select a font from here. And we can see the font of this menu bar over here changes. And in the same way, we can also change the color of the fonts. So we can go ahead and select a color from this color picker over here, and we can see the font changes accordingly. Or else you can also choose a color from the current theme. So you can click on any of these colors and the color of the text will be changed. And then we also have suggested colors over here, and we can select a color from here as well. And in the same way, we also have the option of changing the font colors of these menu items over here as well. Alright, now let's go to the next option. So the next one is the search. So this is basically the font for the search input box. So you can go ahead and select any of these fonts from here, and it will change in the search input box over here. Now let's go to the next option, which is feed, and we can see what is highlighted over here, and in this way we know what fonts we are changing. So let's go ahead and change the post title font. Let's make it Georgia, and here we can see the font has changed. And if you go up to the featured post, we can see the font of that has changed as well. So if you want to change the font of the featured post, you have to do it in the feed option over here. Alright, then we have the option of changing the color that we saw earlier, and then we can change the font of the subtitle. So let's change this to something completely different so we can understand it has changed. So we'll change it to impact, and we can see the font has changed over here. And in the same way, we can change the font for the text and then the font for the button. So the button is this read more button over here. So let's change it to impact, and we can even change the button color over here. So let's change it to red. And in this way, you can go to different options over here and change the fonts. I'm not going to go into all these different options and show you how to change each font. I think you got the point. And also don't forget to click on apply to blog to apply these changes to your website. Alright, so that's basically it for this video. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the comments below, and click on the like button if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe to this channel to get the latest video updates. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a nice day.